How to fix network problem in Emo app. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix network problem in Emo app. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is on, and the second step is you can go to your setting, click on settings and go for install apps. Click on install apps and search for Emo. You can see the Emo app. Now click on Emo app and you can see the force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And the last step is you can do is go back to the settings and go to about phone. You can see system update. Click on system update, and if there is any system update available, you can update the system. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.